Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Monster Hunter 3 Ultimate on PC. First, understand that emulation lets your computer mimic a console. To begin, you will need a reasonably powerful personal computer, ideally with a strong processor and a dedicated graphics card. You'll also need the game file itself, often referred to as a ROM or ISO, and a comfortable game controller for the best experience. Next, you'll need an emulator. For Monster Hunter 3 Ultimate, the Dolphin emulator is an excellent and widely used option. Head over to the official Dolphin website to download the most recent stable version. Before installing, quickly check that your computer's operating system meets the minimum requirements. Once installed, take some time to configure the graphics and audio settings to suit your system for the best performance. Once your emulator is ready, it's time to get your game file. Make sure you obtain your Monster Hunter 3 Ultimate game file legally. Then, simply load it into the Dolphin emulator using the Open or Load option. Spend some time mapping your physical controller buttons to the in-game actions for a comfortable setup. You can also adjust the internal resolution and anti-aliasing settings for improved visual clarity. To truly enhance your Monster Hunter experience, consider exploring custom texture packs available online. These can significantly upgrade the game's visuals. You might also find widescreen hacks that provide a more expansive field of view. Remember to utilize save states for quick progress saving and loading. Finally, connect with online communities for valuable tips, tricks, and even opportunities for multiplayer hunting adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.